Hello, it's Miss Hake with your minds on. Who's ready to have some fun today? So we have been talking about names, first names. We did all that beautiful investigation about the shapes and the lines and the squiggles and the circles that might be in our name, and we talked about the first sound. So Miss Hake, we're going to go with Hake today. Because Miss Hake, well, we're just going to use Hake. Is that okay? Hake. I know that is an uppercase H. And what I noticed about my uppercase H is that it had 3 straight lines. Did you know that? Does anybody else have an uppercase H to start their name? 1, 2, 3 straight lines. So for your minds on today, you're going to go back to your area, wherever you have a big workspace, and you are going to make the most gigantic sound, the letter that makes the first sound of your name out of all the things you can find. So I'm going to make a big gigantic H out of my markers, and then we're going to take a little look-see about, look at these. Do you know that these click? Click! I'm going to make 3 for each side of my H. 1, 2, 3. Boom. I'm going to lay it down. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Look. What am I missing to make my H? I'm missing the connector in the middle, right? So I'm wondering, it doesn't have to be as big as 3. I'm going to use 2 things. Oh, look at that. I have 2 markers left. So now I've made an uppercase H. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that amazing? So I'm wondering if you could take some time after this video and go and make your first sound and first letter of your name out of things that are there for you to use. And if you're really quick at it, maybe you can make 2 out of different things. So I've made it now with markers. Maybe I'm going to go get the Play-Doh, or maybe I'm going to go get some Legos, and I'm going to keep going. And then when we're finished, we're going to take a look at everybody's first letter sound, and we might just see if anybody else has an H in their name. Have a beautiful minds on, have fun, and I cannot wait for you to create the first letter of your name. Big uppercase.